Let us continue the heading inverse transforms, Laplace inverse transforms. You know, we saw definition yesterday. What is inverse Laplace transform, right? See, if L of f of t is f of s, then f of t is L inverse of f of s. And linearity property is true, right? You can take constant term outside. And there, in a first half unit, we will have function of t. We find answer in terms of s. Here we will have function of s. We find answer in terms of t. Okay. So you know the results. L inverse of k by s is k. L inverse of 1 by s minus a is e power at. L inverse of 1 by s plus a is e power minus at. L inverse of, in numerator we should have s or constant term. If it is s, denominator it should be s. Okay. If numerator is s, denominator should be s. If denominator is s plus 2, numerator should also be s plus 2. If denominator is s plus 2 but numerator is s, then you have to change it to s plus 2 by adding and subtracting 2. If you have constant, no problem. 1. If you have 1 in the numerator, no problem. If you have s, you look at denominator s. If denominator is also s, no problem. If denominator is s plus 2, then you should have s plus 2 in the numerator. Okay. L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square is sin h at by a. Similarly, okay, you know these results. Next, you know, we did very simple problems based on results. Directly formula, right? And next, first shifting property. Instead of s, it will be s plus a or s minus a. Or we have to change it as s plus a, s minus a form. Then we do, right? Which is by using first shifting property. And now let us see the third heading of the inverse transform. When we know we have studied this in Laplace transform, right? L of t into f of t, which is minus d by ds of L of f of t, right? L of f of t is f of s. What is L of f of t? F of s. What is d by ds of f of s? F dash of s. L of f of t is f of s. When you substitute here f of s, d by ds of f of s is f dash of s. Bring this L this side. L inverse of minus f dash of s is equal to t into f of t. You know, here they give function of s. We find answer in terms of t. So here, listen here. L inverse, when will we use this method? This method is applied for functions involving log, tan, cot, that's all, right? When we have log function, tan function, cot function, we use this formula. L inverse of minus f dash of s equal to t into f of t. Okay. So from this we have got this result. Okay. Okay. See, you should know these differentiation which we use here. Differentiation of log of s plus a with respect to s is 1 by s plus a. Then you differentiate s plus a, which will become 1. When you differentiate s with respect to s 1, a with respect to s 0. It is 1 into 1 by s plus a. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Okay, we have some problems. Let us take first problem. This is our f of s. F of s is log of s plus 1 by s plus 2. We use log of a by b, which is log a minus log b. So being log function, we should use this formula. L inverse of minus f dash of s equal to t into f of t. Let us first find f dash of s. Later we find minus f dash of s. Later we take L inverse. We will get this answer in terms of t. Okay. We find f dash of s. Being f of s is log of s plus 1. F dash of s is 1 by s plus 1. Here 1 by s plus 2. Differentiation of log of s plus 2 is 1 by s plus 2. Okay. S plus 1, s plus 2 actually, right? Let us change. S plus 2. It is s plus 1, s plus 2. Okay. Next you find minus sign because we know formula L inverse of minus f dash of s. Let us multiply this by negative sign. So this become negative, this become positive. Let us write positive first. Take L inverse both sides. We know L inverse of 1 by s plus a is e power minus at here also. What first equation says? The answer of this is t into f of t. See, L inverse of f dash of minus f dash of s is t into f of t. Our aim is to find f of t here, okay? They give function of s, we find f of t. So t into, this is t into f of t. Hence f of t is this term divided by t. This term divided by t. Let us say similar problem, you may feel easy. Consider the given function as f of s. Being log function, we have to use this result. First find f dash of s, take negative sign, take L inverse. This will be equal to t into f of t, find f of t answer. That is the method. Use a log of a by b is log a minus log b. Now log of ab is log a plus log b, as it is the term. F dash of s minus f dash of s. Being negative sign, this become negative, this become negative, this become positive. Let us write positive first. Take L inverse both sides. The answer of this is t into f of t by formula. Hence f of t is the whole term divided by t. And the problem is similar for the other subdivisions, okay, c, d. Similarly here with s square plus 4. Very easy. First you differentiate log of s square plus 4, 1 by s square plus 4. Now you differentiate s square plus 4, which is 2s. If it is s plus 4, if you look at the previous problem, it is differentiation of s plus log of s plus 3, 1 by s plus 3. When you differentiate s plus 3 with respect to s, it becomes 1. But here it is different, right? Differentiation of log of s square plus 4 is 1 by s square plus 4. Differentiate s square plus 4, it is 2s. Similarly, take negative sign. So that this will come first, this will come next. Take L inverse both sides. We have direct formula. Hence find f of t. Okay? Other two problems are similar. Now we do problem with tan inverse of s by a. So for tan inverse, log, cot inverse, etc. we use this formula. So f dash of s is differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now we should differentiate x. When you differentiate s by a, take 1 by a outside. Differentiation of s is 1 with respect to s. Simplify a square plus s square by a square into 1 by a. Take this term to numerator. A square and this 1 of a square, here a get cancelled. Take negative sign. Find L inverse. Okay? Which you will get answer. And it is similar for cot inverse problem. Differentiate cot inverse x. 1 by minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Our x is 1 plus s. Now we differentiate 1 plus s, it becomes 1. Take negative sign both sides. Find L inverse of minus f dash of s. The value of this is t into f of t. Here we should use the first shifting theorem. Being constant term numerator, no problem. Denominator s plus a can be written as e power minus at. It becomes f of s. What is first shifting theorem? L inverse of f of s plus a is e power minus at into L inverse of f of s. Leave a. This is sin t. Hence f of t is this one, which completes this method. Okay. Dear students, let us see next heading. Inverse transforms by integration. Okay. So sometimes if you see, they give function of s, right? If you look at the function, denominator will be quadratic equation whole square. Numerator may be s plus any term. Or simply s. Or maybe some other 1, 2, right? Quadratic denominator is quadratic equation whole square. So if this is, then we have formula. L inverse of f dash of s equal to minus t into f of t. It is minus t into f of t, right? See, the same formula which we used earlier, right? The same formula. I have kept negative sign this side. Okay? So L inverse of, whenever we have L inverse of s plus any term by quadratic equation whole square, or denominator is quadratic equation whole square, we use this formula. But the method of doing problem is different. There what we do, we assume given function as f of s. Then we find f dash of s minus f dash of s, L inverse of minus f dash of s, which will get answer. But here method of doing problem is different. We assume given function as f dash of s. Denominator, you look at the denominator, it is quadratic equation whole square. How will we do the problem? Assume the function as f dash of s. Method of doing problem is different, though formula is same. Integrating both sides with respect to s. So that integration of f dash of s ds is f of s, right? So in order to get f of s, integrate both sides with respect to s. Mark it as first equation. We consider this term alone. Let us use substitution method. Put u is equal to the quadratic polynomial. Differentiate, simply differentiate. Du is equal to 2s ds plus 4 ds. Take ds common, 2s plus 4. First you reduce power, differentiate s. Take 4 outside, differentiate s. You will get ds. Take ds common. Du, take 2 common now. We need s plus 2 into ds. So take 2 common now. S plus 2 into ds is du by 2. Let us now substitute. Numerator is du by 2, denominator is u square. Take u to the numerator, u power minus 2. Keep 1 by 2 outside. Integrate, we know integration of x power n dx. Right? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Take negative sign outside. U power minus 1 is 1 by u, where u is s square plus 4s plus 5. So we have got answer of this integral. Let us substitute the value of integral in our first equation. And this is actually a capital F of s. Or differentiation of f of s is f dash of s ds. Differentiation of f of s is f dash of s ds, where integration differentiation are of reverse process. It is integral f dash of s ds. Integral differentiation of f of s. Differentiation of f of s is f dash of s ds. Integration and differentiation are of reverse process. Hence we get f of s equal to the answer which obtained. We know f of s is L of f of t. L of f of t. What is the formula here? The answer of given function is minus t into f of t. This is going to be considered as f dash of s. Okay. This is going to be the given function is going to be considered as f dash of s. But in log function, tan function, cot function, it is different, right? The problem of doing it is different. So we need to find f of t. That is our aim. Assume this is f dash of s, integrate, get f of s. From f of s, find f of t. Because f of s is L of f of t. Find f of t, substitute it here. Okay. So it is the f of s, L of f of t. Take L inverse this side. By linearity property, minus 1 by 2 can be taken outside. L inverse of k into f of s is k into L inverse of f of s. We have to denominate as quadratic polynomial. So we know how to do. We have done these kind of problems in our first shifting property. The same method. Try to write it as perfect square term. If not, some perfect square term plus some other term. Okay. This is by first shifting property e power minus 2t into L inverse of f of s, which is e power minus t sin t by 2. Right? E power minus 2t sin t by 2. We know L inverse of f dash of s is minus t into f of t. The answer of f of t is this one. This is given function, given problem. Formula says minus t into f of t. I know f of t answer. Hence, which complete the problem. Okay. So let us see similar problem. You may feel easy. Okay. If it is log function, tan function, cot function, see how to do problem. If it is denominator quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial whole square, not equation, polynomial whole square, see how to do problem. Okay. It is quadratic polynomial whole square. Polynomial. Quadratic polynomial whole square. This is quadratic polynomial. S square plus 0s plus a square. First you have to do, assume this as f dash of s. Integrate both sides. Consider this term alone. Use substitution method. Substitute. Find the value of integral. Substitute the value of integral here. And this is f of s. Capital F of s. Capital F of s has value. Since f of s is L of f of t, find f of t. After finding f of t, substitute the value of f of t in the formula, where problem over. Okay. L of f of t is this one. Hence f of t is L inverse of. We know L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is sin at by a. We should know thoroughly formula. Okay. After finding f of t, substitute the answer in the formula, which complete problem. Similar problems are given to us homework. Okay. Which complete this heading. Okay.